Okay, I think I just found the ultimate cheat code for creators. You guys have to see what this thing can do. I'm using the chatbot feature on YouTubeCreatorAI.com, and it is a total game changer. I just told it my vibe, and it literally mapped out my entire video strategy and script in seconds. It's like having a high-end creative director in your pocket. I actually used these exact AI prompts to produce the video I just dropped on my Rich and Fabulous channel. If you want to see the actual quality of an AI-assisted script, you have to go watch this one. It's genuinely insane how much time I saved. The full video is live right now. Go check it out to see the final result, and let me know what you think of the AI bot. Catch you over there.
What you gonna do when the Hulkster's home price drops millions? Shocking news out of Clearwater as Hulk Hogan's massive beachfront mansion just got a $2 million price cut.
Wrestling legend Hulk Hogan has died.
Breaking news, wrestling legend Hulk Hogan has died.
Following the legend's passing last July, the $11 million estate was just slashed to $89.9 million. This 5,000 square foot powerhouse is officially sitting at its lowest price yet.